Today our topic is Adams-bashforth method. Fourth order Adams-bashforth predictor and Adams-Moulton corrector methods. Now today we will solve these questions is given. You now dy upon dx is given x plus ka y. The initial value is also given. It means x naught is 0 and y not equal to 1. We use Adams-bashforth method and Adams-Moulton method. H the value is given 0.1. Interval is also given 0, 0.4. Now you can see here the value of x and the value of y is also given. It means the x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. X1 is 0 and y1 is this given. X2 is given, then y2 is also given. The value of x3 is given. The value of y3 is also given. Now we will find y4 at x equal to 0.4. Solution using Adams-bashforth predictor and Adams-Moulton corrector. We use two methods. Fourth order Adams-bashforth predictor method. Second number, third order Adams-Moulton corrector method. Now we will start step 1. Compute functions. The values f of n equal to f of xn, yn. Since the given equation is function is given dy upon dx means y dash equal to x plus ka y. We compute functions values f naught. You know, if we put these values n equal to 0, it means f naught. If we put this x naught and y naught, first we put the n equal to 0, it means all values will be not found. Then function is given. You now initial value is given x naught equal to 0. We have seen in the first slide, and also given y naught is value 1. Then we put these functions x plus ka y. It means the x is 0 and y is 1. We get only 1. Same process we find if we put n equal to 1. It means x1 and y1. Now we find f of 1. You can see here in the questions is given x1 equal to 0.1 and y1 is also given in the questions 1.1103. Then function is given x plus ka y. It means we solve these values. The value is x is 1 and the value is y is these numbers. Then we add these numbers, we get 1.2103. You can see here same process. We find f2 Now you can see here the value is x2 and the value is y2, which are given in questions. Then we add both values because the function is given x plus y. It means both values will be added. Then we get answer 1.4428. Same process f3. It means the value of x3 and the value of y3 according to functions x plus y function is given. Then we put these values and we add both values 1.6997. We get the answer. Now you can see step 2, predictor step, fourth order Adams-bashforth method. The Adams-bashforth fourth order formula is given. Yn plus 1, you can see here predictor is given equal to yn plus h upon 24. That 55 fn minus 59 f of n minus 1 plus 37 f of n minus 2 minus 9 f of n minus 3. Now you can see substituting these values. Now we find the values of y4. It means you can see the function is given yn plus 1. It means if we put n equal to 3, then we get y4. If n equal to 3, then we put n all elements, all values n equal to 3. Now if we n equal to 3, it means y3. Then we put this value of y3 in also given in the questions plus h upon 24. The value of h is also given 0.1. The 24 is the formula values. 55 is the formula values. Fn, it means if we put n equal to 3, it means function value is 3. Now you can see in the top value is given 1.6997. We put these values. Now minus sign is given minus 59. If n minus 1, it n the value is n is 3. 3 minus 1, it means the value of f of 2. Now you can see above f2 value is given 1.4428. We put these values. Same process. Then plus sign is given according to formula. 37 is formula given. Now n minus 2. N, the value of n we get n is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 means f1. These values in above questions. Minus 9 according to questions, minus 9. 3 minus 3, it means f naught. Now f naught the value is only 1. Now again we use previous value which we put this. Now we will simplify. 55 multiplied by 1.6997, we get 93.4835 minus का 59 multiplied by 1.4428, then we get 85.1252. Now plus sign is given, then we multiply 37 in these values and minus का 9, also multiply these values. Then you can see we add all values. After the additions of all values, we get 44.3404. Now you can simplify multiply by 0.1, then divide by 24, we get these numbers. Then we add both numbers, 1.5845. This is your answer. Y for predictor. Now, step 3, corrector step. Third order Adams-Moulton method. The Adams-Moulton third order corrector formula is given. You must know this formula. Yn plus का 1 here is given corrector equal to yn plus का h upon 24 bracket 9 f of n plus का 1 predictor. We get the values of predictor, then we put these values. Plus का 19 f of n minus का 5 f of n minus का 1 plus का f of n minus का 2. We first compute f4. Now you can see here, if the value of n equal to 3, then we can by 4. Now you can see here f4. F4, what we get? Predictor formula, we find the value of f4. f4 means 0.4, and y4 is also, you know what we get the values, 1.5845. We add both values because the function is x plus y is given. Then we get 1.9845. Now you can see here yn plus 1 is the corrector formula which already defined. These values, you know, if n equal to 3, then we get y4. This is a correct formula. It means n equal to 3, y4, it means n equal to 3, y3, the value of h 0.1, according to formula 24 is given, according to formula is 9 given. Now if n plus का 1, it means n plus का 3 plus का 1, f4, we get predictor value f4, then we put these values. After you can see the plus is given, you write plus sign. 19 is also given, you and 19. What is the value of fn? f3. This value f3 minus का 5, minus का 5 is here. Now what is the value of n minus का 1? You know the value of n is 3. 3 minus का 1 is the value of f2. Plus sign here is given. If no any value is given, then we put 1. n equal to 3. 3 minus का 2. What we get? f of 1. Now we multiply by 9 these values, then plus sign. 19 multiplied by these number we get, then minus sign is given. 5 multiplied by 1.4428 we get, plus same value is given. Then we add all 4 values, then we get 44.1511. multiply by this number, then we divide, we get 0.1839. Then we add both values, we get 1.5836. This is the final answer. You can see here the value of x is also given and the value of y is also given. Now we get 0.4 after correction, 1.5836. Thus, the approximate solution at x equal to 0.4 is 1.5836. This method improves accuracy by first predicting using Adams-bashforth and then correcting using Adams-Moulton. This is your answer.